Elections are always a laborious and large-scale process. Our platform can improve, facilitate, make the electoral process more reliable and fair. The Counos electoral system is unique in its design as it consists of many parts. We will talk about this today. Mining pools that will be available to the observers of the election so that they can make sure of accuracy and validity of the election. These pools need to have the features of CCXX blockchain network in order to be able to mine blocks. Defining the Merkle route for the election and transferring the maximum balance allowed prior to the beginning of the election in one transaction. Defining all the candidates and creating distinct addresses for each. Defining voting centers and creating distinct addresses for them. A system for transferring votes to the exclusive wallet of voters and registering the voter ID in the network through a separate transaction. At the same time, it is guaranteed that a duplicate wallet is not issued for the same voter ID. An exclusive explorer that specifies the candidate's balance. Also, the voting center and allowed time period are defined for each transaction. If the transaction is found to be invalid, it will be listed separately and traceable. The polling system, which is an exclusive wallet. The voter can transfer his or her balance to the account of the candidate of their choosing and cast their vote. They also receive proof of vote in the form of transaction ID.